How to download Twinmotion. You can now download Twinmotion with full functionality totally free. To get it, simply Google Twinmotion. You will find this link, Twinmotion-Unreal Engine. Click it and it will take us straight to the website unreal-engine.com/en-us/Twinmotion. You will either press the download button or press get it free through early 2020. Let me click that button and it will ask us to sign in. Simply, we can sign in using Facebook, Google, PlayStation or Xbox accounts. Let me sign in with my Google account and now I am logged in. The next step is that we will press download the Epic Game Launcher and a small program of 42 megas will be downloaded. After Epic Game Launcher got downloaded, we will need to install it on our computer by simply double-click it and follow the instructions. After it gets installed, you will find its shortcut on your desktop and simply double-click to open it. With this Epic Launcher, you can download Unreal Engine for free, and we have that last tab for Twinmotion. At this tab of Twinmotion, you will find down here a button called Download Twinmotion. But since it's already installed now on my computer, that button is now turned to Launch. So you will press download the Twinmotion and let it download around 6 gigas from the internet. Then you will simply follow the instructions to install it on your computer, simply and easily. While downloading, you can check the progress through that download button at the left. After all is done, you will press launch from here or the Twinmotion shortcut on the desktop to launch the program.